Will this be a video explaining how to grow your Instagram account to 10,000 followers? No. Will I be talking about how I grew my account to 10,000 followers? Yes. So I shot this video before. I didn't like how it turned out. And also I'm doing this, new style of filming. I have a new set. So I thought that I would just reshoot this entire video. So if you follow me on Instagram, which a majority of you probably do, if you don't, I'm gonna be sad and it's gonna be really confusing, but you should go follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? If you don't follow me on Instagram, this Photoshop edit right here, it went viral. It has 1 million views right now. This was the edit that brought me to 10,000 followers on Instagram. A lot of people loved the edit and a lot of people also hated it. And my opinion is I absolutely hate this edit. I thought that the execution could have been better. It was just something with all of my Photoshop edits. I don't really spend a lot of time on them. I kind of just try to get as many edits out as possible. And I was really close to not posting this speed edit, but I decided to post it anyway because I had a feeling that the speed edits that I was going to do, I had a feeling that it would do really well on the platform, which obviously it did. I was having this conversation with someone the other day about quality and providing a high quality production for a client or for your own content. This person kept using quality as a metric of value, but the reality is that quality is subjective. Using the speed edit as an example, I did not like how it turned out, and a lot of other people also did not like how it turned out. But on the contrary, a lot of people liked it. A lot of people liked how it turned out, and a lot of people liked the execution of it, and that's why it blew up to 1 million views. There are videos I make that I absolutely love and that I think are high quality, but an award-winning director will think it's absolute shit. And on the contrary, there are videos that I really didn't like how I executed it, but those specific videos have gotten me hired for some gigs. And on top of that, there are videos that I've made that at the time I thought were really good, but since I've grown as a creator, since I've learned a lot more, I look back at those videos and realize that they weren't as good as I originally thought they were. Quality and a high quality product has many different facets and factors that you have to take into account. What do we actually mean when we're talking about the quality of a product? Are we talking about the image resolution? Are we talking about the amount of pixels within the image, if it's 4K versus 1080p? Are we talking about the amount of time we spend in scripting and storyboarding and screenwriting? Are we talking about the amount of motion graphics that we add or the different techniques that we use? There's so many different factors that relate to a quality product that you can't really measure it. The truth is that the quality of a product or service is determined by the relationship between the people that are judging it. If you're presenting me with, I don't know, a race car or something, I'm not gonna know anything about the quality of the race car, whether or not it's a good race car. But if you're gonna talk to a group of, professional NASCAR drivers, they're gonna have a different opinion on it. If you present a group of creators a piece of work and you ask them to judge it and to critique it, they're obviously all going to have their own opinions based on their own experiences, versus if you present that same product or service to someone who has no experience in the creative field. They're going to have a completely different opinion. How exactly did my Instagram account grow to 10,000 followers? I had one post that went viral, and after that, I just stayed consistent. And I think that matters more than quality, because quality is subjective. What matters the most is consistency, because consistency is something that you can rely on. You can't rely on being viral every single time you're making a video, or you're creating a Photoshop edit, or you're creating an ad campaign. Consistency builds trust with your audience, and you can't get that from a single viral post. A lot of marketers and advertisers talk about creating posts that will go viral or creating ads that have the potential to go viral, but virality doesn't matter if you don't have a game plan. That's why you have so many one-hit wonders in the music industry. That's why you only know actors or directors for certain movies or roles that they have done. Virality isn't a strategy. It's something that we hope would happen, but what are you gonna do after that happens, if that even happens? In my opinion, when I think of quality, I don't think of individual posts, individual videos or photos. I think of the quality of the creator, the quality of the company. Can I trust them? Can I rely on them? And you build that trust by being consistent, constantly engaging and constantly interacting with the people who enjoy consuming the things that you're creating. At the end of the day, quality is subjective, and there's always going to be a person out there who's not going to like what you produce. So instead of focusing on quality, whatever that may be, focus on building trust and focus on building a strong relationship. Because the people that are already following you and the people that already like the things that you produce, they like the quality already as is. And obviously you want to expand your knowledge, expand your skills, but don't use that as a metric for value, because that's just going to depend on the person. What matters more is whether or not you can build a relationship with your audience that is outside of your work, outside of the thing that you're producing. Because once you're able to do that, you'll already have a group of people there supporting you when you're starting something new and the quality isn't exactly where you want it to be. Hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna try to do more videos like this from now on. I like filming in this, I'm just in my loft. I like filming in this kind of environment where I can sit down, talk to the camera. The new style of editing that I did, my, I guess, decade recap or 2019 video, that's the type of editing that I kind of want to venture more into. I really liked, vlogging while I was out on client shoots, but it became repetitive and honestly kind of boring. And so this way I can up the quality in my sense. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comments below. What do you consider a high quality product or service? I'd really love to know, love to start a conversation. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to post more videos in 2020. I had a really good streak in the middle of the year and then I kind of fell off at the end of the year, but 2020 we're going strong. I have a lot of videos still planned and lined up. I've been doing a lot of the scripting for that. So that's gonna be really fun. Yeah, so see you guys next time and bye.